Hi and welcome back to QuizzyQuest. Can you answer all questions correctly? Please subscribe and like to support the channel. What is the social structure of a Lions group called? Is it A, troop, B, pack, or C, pride? It is C, pride. What was the primary cause of the Black Death in the 14th century? Is it A, famine, B, bubonic plague, or C, war? It is B, bubonic plague. Which famous national park is located partially within the Mojave Desert? Is it A, Joshua Tree, B, Yellowstone, or C, Grand Canyon? It is A, Joshua Tree. What is the primary characteristic of polyphony in music? Is it A, single melodic line, B, multiple independent melodies, or C, harmonic chord progression? It is B, multiple independent melodies. What type of financial services does Revolut primarily offer? Is it A, real estate loans, B, investment consulting, or C, digital banking? It is C, digital banking. Which Spanish explorer is credited with discovering Florida? Is it A, Hernán Cortés, B, Ferdinand Magellan, or C, Juan Ponce de León? It is C, Juan Ponce de León. What is the capital city of Sri Lanka where Colombo is located? Is it A, Sri Jayawardenepura Kot, B, Kandy, or C, Gali? It is A, Sri Jayawardenepura Kotte. What was the primary cause of the Korean War? Is it A, Japanese invasion, B, Vietnam conflict, or C, division of Korea? It is C, division of Korea. Which luxury fashion house was founded by designer Christian Dior? Is it A, Chanel, B, Dior, or C, Gucci? It is B, Dior. What was the Phoenicians' primary contribution to trade in the ancient Mediterranean? Is it A, metalworking, B, pottery, or C, alphabet? It is C, alphabet. What is the primary purpose of callus formation in the body? Is it A, aid digestion, B, repair injury, or C, regulate temperature? It is B, repair injury. Which song did the Beatles famously declare they want to hold your hand in? Is it A, Let It Be, B, Hey Jude, or C, I Want to Hold Your Hand? It is C, I Want to Hold Your Hand. What is the primary ingredient used in the traditional Italian pasta dish aglio e olio? Is it A, tomato, B, garlic, or C, basil? It is B, garlic. What type of company is Audemars Piguet? Is it A, automaker, B, watchmaker, or C, jewelers? It is B, watchmaker. What is a primary advantage of using LED lights compared to traditional incandescent bulbs? Is it A, energy efficiency, B, color variety, or C, longer length? It is A, energy efficiency. What is the objective of the card game cribbage? Is it A, score points by making combinations, B, collect the most cards, or C, eliminate opponents? It is A, score points by making combinations. What fundamental force do gluons mediate in particle physics? Is it A, weak force, B, strong force, or C, electromagnetic force? It is B, strong force. What athletic competition consists of 7 track and field events? Is it A, pentathlon, B, decathlon, or C, heptathlon? It is C, heptathlon. What is tabbouleh primarily made of? Is it A. Pasta, B. Rice, or C. Bulgur wheat? It is C. Bulgur wheat. What type of dish is sambal primarily known as in Indonesian cuisine? Is it A. Rice dish, B. Chili sauce, or C. Soup? It is B. Chili sauce. What type of sign is created by blasting sand at high speed? Is it A. Etched sign, B. Printed sign, or C. Carved sign? It is A. Etched sign. What event is widely attributed to the beginning of the Great Fire of London in 1666? Is it A. a shipwreck, B. a warehouse explosion, or C. a bakery fire? It is C. a bakery fire. What French sauce is made with butter, vinegar, and shallots? Is it A. Beurre Blanc, B. Hollandaise, or C. Béarnaise? It is A. Beurre Blanc. What technology does a CT scan use to create detailed images of the body? Is it A. X-rays, B. MRI, or C. ultrasound? It is A. X-rays. What catastrophic event is Chernobyl best known for? Is it A. earthquake, B. oil spill, or C. nuclear disaster? It is C. nuclear disaster. What is the main ingredient in traditional raita? Is it A. rice, B. yogurt, or C. lentils? It is B. yogurt. What type of building is the Sagrada Familia in Spain famous for being? Is it A. museum, B. castle, or C. basilica? It is C. basilica. What is the primary purpose of the financial term spread in trading? Is it A. market cap, B. price difference, or C. trading volume? It is B. price difference. What is Kolyma best known for in Russian history? Is it A. gold mines, B. gulag labor camps, or C. agricultural production? It is B. gulag labor camps. Which position does Emmanuel Macron currently hold in France? Is it A. president, B. prime minister, or C. mayor? It is A. president. What is the primary purpose of water filtration systems? Is it A. add minerals, B. increase temperature, or C. remove impurities? It is C. remove impurities. In Greek mythology, what are harpies commonly known for stealing? Is it A. gold, B. souls, or C. weapons? It is B. souls. What is the capital city of Afghanistan? Is it A. Kandahar, B. Kabul, or C. Herat? It is B. Kabul. In Greek mythology, what is the main feature that makes Gorgons feared creatures? Is it A. snakes for hair, B. giant wings, or C. fire breath? It is A. snakes for hair. Which vital functions does the brainstem primarily regulate? Is it A. vision and hearing, B. breathing and heart rate, or C. memory and emotions? It is B. breathing and heart rate. What is the primary function of beta in software development? Is it A. testing phase, B. final release, or C. backup storage? It is A. testing phase. What animal represents the year 2022 in the Chinese zodiac during Chinese New Year celebrations? Is it A. dragon, B. tiger, or C. monkey? It is B. Tiger. In which city is St. Basil's Cathedral located? Is it A. St. Petersburg, B. Moscow, or C. Kiev? It is B. Moscow. Which musical instrument is known for being played without physical contact and utilizes electronic oscillators? Is it A. theremin, B. violin, or C. piano? It is A. theremin. What is the capital city of Guatemala? Is it A. Guatemala City, B. Antigua, or C. Quetzaltenango? It is A. Guatemala City. What ancient structure is famously located in Baghdad, Iraq, known for its historical significance in the Islamic Golden Age? Is it A. House of Wisdom, B. Great Pyramid, or C. Colosseum? It is A. House of Wisdom. What are the two main types of nucleic acids found in living organisms? Is it A. ATP and NAD, B. DNA and RNA, or C. proteins and enzymes? It is B. DNA and RNA. What type of cloud forms as a horizontal structure along the leading edge of a storm? Is it A. anvil cloud, B. funnel cloud, or C. shelf cloud? It is C. shelf cloud. What is the most famous architectural feature located in Prague known for its historic astronomical clock? Is it A. Prague Astronomical Clock, B. St. Vitus Cathedral, or C. Charles Bridge? It is A. Prague Astronomical Clock. What conflict was resolved by the Treaty of Portsmouth in 1905? Is it A. American Civil War, B. World War I, or C. Russo-Japanese War? It is C. Russo-Japanese War. What is the capital of Kazakhstan? Is it A. Almaty, B. Nur-Sultan, or C. Astana? It is B. Nur-Sultan. Who is the author of the novella Metamorphosis? Is it A. F. Scott Fitzgerald, B. Leo Tolstoy, or C. Franz Kafka? It is C. Franz Kafka. What type of organizations typically qualify for tax-exempt status under U.S. law? Is it A. charitable organizations, B. corporations, or C. sole proprietorships? It is A. charitable organizations. What is the chemical formula for a hydroxyl group? Is it A. Cu, B, O, or C. NH2? It is B. O. What is the main branch of science that studies living organisms? Is it A. biology, B. chemistry, or C. physics? It is A. biology. If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.